Imagine a volcanic eruption so powerful that it nearly wiped out humanity. A cataclysm so devastating that it changed the climate of the entire planet and left its mark in geological records for tens of thousands of years. This is the story of the Toba Super Eruption, the largest volcanic explosion ever recorded in Earth's history. Around 74,000 years ago, in what is now Indonesia, the Toba volcano unleashed one of the most violent eruptions our planet has ever seen. This was no ordinary volcanic explosion, it was a super eruption, an event so massive that it ejected an estimated 2,800 cubic kilometers of volcanic material into the atmosphere. For comparison, the Mount St. Helens eruption in 1980 released only 1 cubic kilometer of material. Toba's eruption was nearly 3,000 times more powerful. The explosion was so violent that it completely reshaped the landscape, leaving behind what is now Lake Toba, the largest volcanic lake in the world, stretching over 100 kilometers across. The eruption sent a towering plume of ash and gas 50 kilometers into the sky, spreading debris over a vast area. Volcanic ash covered much of South Asia, the Indian Ocean, and even reached the Arabian Peninsula and East Africa. But the most terrifying effect of the Toba eruption was its impact on the climate. The massive amount of ash and sulfur dioxide released into the atmosphere formed a dense cloud that blocked sunlight for years, causing what scientists call a volcanic winter. Global temperatures dropped by 3 to 5 degrees Celsius, and some regions saw even more extreme cooling. This sudden and dramatic climate shift led to severe droughts, disrupted ecosystems, and caused widespread food shortages. The Earth became a colder and harsher place to live. Some scientists believe that this volcanic winter nearly led to the extinction of early humans. Genetic studies suggest that around the time of the eruption, the human population may have dropped to as few as 3,000 to 10,000 individuals, creating what is known as a genetic bottleneck. This means that all modern humans could be descendants of just a small group of survivors who somehow managed to endure the devastating aftermath of Toba. While this theory is still debated, there is no doubt that the eruption had a profound impact on life on Earth. The effects of the Toba eruption were felt worldwide. Layers of ash from this event have been found as far as India, China, and even Greenland, proving just how far-reaching its consequences were. The eruption may have also influenced global weather patterns for centuries, altering monsoon systems and affecting plant and animal populations. Some researchers even speculate that the hardships caused by Toba might have played a role in shaping early human migration, forcing groups of survivors to adapt, move, and find new ways to survive in an altered world. Despite its destructive past, the Toba volcano is still active. While another super eruption may not happen in our lifetime, scientists closely monitor Toba and other supervolcanoes around the world. Yellowstone in the United States, Campi Flegrei in Italy, and Taupo in New Zealand are all capable of producing eruptions on a similar scale. If another event like Toba were to occur today, the consequences would be unimaginable. Global supply chains would collapse, agriculture would fail, and temperatures could drop drastically, leading to a modern-day survival crisis. So, could humanity survive another super eruption? The Toba disaster shows us how fragile life can be in the face of nature's raw power. While modern technology and scientific advancements might help us prepare, a super eruption would still be one of the greatest challenges humanity has ever faced. What do you think? Could we endure another disaster like this? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating stories from history.